So in this video, we're going to see glycolysis. We were done with the glycolysis. We're going with the two other phases, which are preparatory phase, which is an investment phase, which are 5 carbon, and the second step is oxidative phase. So we are going to look after these all both phases today. So let's start. So let's start with the preparatory phase first. This is also known as investment phase because in this you will invest a lot of things and the benefit you will get or the product you will get would be the oxidative phase, investment phase. So let's start. What does this phase means? This is simply in this you will see ATP would be consumed. Like when we just talk about investment, this means you have invest something and this you invest ATP. So this phase is also an investment phase. In this 2 molecule, how much? 2 molecule of ATP which would be consumed. Okay. When 2 molecule of ATP would be consumed, how? Because glucose will be break down to 2 molecules of G3P. Oh, sorry. This is not second step. This is simply glucose, which would be break down into two molecules of G3P molecules. G3P, which is also known as glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Okay, so in this you will see steps. So in this video, I think we should go with the basic introduction because I wanted to make or take picture, so I did not take. So let's go with the oxidative phase now. A little overview. This is the oxidative phase. This does not have any other name. We can also call this as a product or the any other thing by which we get the product. This is the oxidative phase. Oxidative phase. So this phase in which NADP would be used, or not used, but NADP which will make take electron, it will make NADPH. Okay, in this phase G3P which would be converted into pyruvates. As I just told you, here you will see glucose which will make G3P. Okay, this is clear thing, but now this G3P which will be converted into pyruvates. Okay, this is very much clear, and in this the formation of ATP would be done, and formation of ATP, and there would be reduction of one thing, reduction of coenzyme. Reduction of coenzyme which is further oxidized during ETC. And if you're thinking where does this coenzyme would be used, it would be further oxidized during the ETC. ETC here is electron transport chain oxidize during ETC. In this video we are going with the basics so that in next video I could give you the complete 10 steps within 5 or 10 minutes, and I will give you a trick to remember that as well. So yes, here this will be oxidize and oxidization during ETC of respiration, and that will form ATP. Okay, this is clear, and I will write one more point which I told you. There will be the formation of ATP. In first step, that was investment phase where they were using, and here they will give product of formation of ATP. And one more question is that when glucose will be broken down and it will form 38 ATP in aerobic respiration.